Hi y'all, Denise here. Hope you're doing well. Um, don't forget, subscribe, like, share the videos, and you can get me at howtostayfitafter50.com, at denisesanger.com. You can email me, denisesanger@gmail.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Healthy After 50, and Facebook, How to Stay Healthy After 50 with Denise Sanger. So let's get to it. Today I'm going to talk to you about not so much about COVID itself, but about the weight gain that many people are experiencing as a direct result of quarantining for COVID. Um, it's a very real thing. I just actually came back from the grocery store. And for me, it's automatic to put my mask on. My husband has compromised lungs, and I don't want to ever be responsible for bringing something home to him. I've always been wearing my mask and focusing on good health and exercise, trying to eat right, and that's what brings me to this video today, because many people are struggling. You're out of routine. A lot of folks are working from home. Actually, today I am in my gym office, which is what you're seeing behind me, part of it. You don't see what's in front of me. All my yoga gear is over there, and where I work with my clients privately or privately on Zoom, I have a space over there. I am home myself every day except Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I am at the gym. We have socially distanced our group exercise room. Everybody has more than enough space to stay separated from each other. But there's still a lot of people that are not comfortable coming to the gym. And I get that. So what can you do at home? Well, there's actually a lot that you can do at home. Simply getting up off the couch and walking around is doing probably 90% more, is doing more than probably 90% of the people out there. It's real easy to sit your butt down and not move and get hooked on scrolling through social media, binge watching TV shows, snacking, mindless snacking. You don't really intend to snack, but it's mindless snacking. So the first thing you need to do is make a conscious effort to get up and move. Try to get up and move every hour. I wear a Garmin. This is my Garmin that I've been wearing. I think I've had it probably 6-7 years now. I got it with my, let's see, I'm 59. I did my first triathlon after 50, so probably close to 8-9 years. This is actually my second one. But if I'm sitting too long, which I can have a tendency to do when I'm at home working, my Garmin will buzz or it'll vibrate and say, move. So if you have a Fitbit or something like that, that's a real good way to get up and get moving, because your watch will remind you. If you do not have something like this that's going to remind you, set a timer on your phone. Set it for every hour to go off, no matter what you're doing. Even if it's a day that is dreary and yucky outside, it's still set that timer and get up and do jumping jacks in place. Modify jumping jacks. I'm not saying to get up and go crazy. I'm not saying to do 100 burpees, okay? Because we all love burpees. But get up and move, march in place. Whatever it takes, every hour, get up and move. Number 2. These are 5-pound dumbbells. They're very inexpensive. You can grab these anywhere if you're going into the store, or simply order them online somewhere. Strength training is super important, will help you boost that metabolism. So something as simple as bicep curls or tricep extensions, raises, front raises. Work your body, keep it strong. The best way to fight off anything is to stay healthy in the first place. Okay, so get you some dumbbells, or you don't want to buy dumbbells, or you haven't been exercising lately, go get you some cans of soup. Okay, start there and then build up from there. A 16-ounce can of anything is a pound, and that'll give you a good workout, especially if you haven't been doing anything. And number 3, I know you don't want to hear this one, and yes, it's a holiday season, but get the junk out of the house. I don't even keep the junk in my house. If it's there, I'm going to be honest with you, total transparent, as I always am. If there is something in there and I have, say there's M&Ms, and I have a couple M&Ms, it like triggers an addiction in me, and all I want to do is keep eating more and more M&Ms. Okay, so for me, I do not have it in the house. Or if it's in the house, because my husband does like to have dessert in the evening, I keep it away from me and I don't touch it, because I know that if I touch that, it's going to trigger it in me and I'm going to finish the whole damn bag. There's just no two ways about it. So get rid of the junk in the house, all right? This pandemic is a very real thing. If one more person says to me, oh, it's just like the flu, I got news for you. At my age, I'm almost 60. I don't even want the flu. And this is a lot worse than the flu. So please take care of yourself. And by taking care of yourself, focus on taking care of your health, being the healthiest, happiest you that you can be. Okay? Get up and get moving. Strength train. Even if it's a can of soup, whatever it is, get it, work your body, and eat clean. And don't forget, always, I'm always telling you about water. Don't forget your water. Take a walk. Nature is amazing for reducing stress, and you feel so much better. That's why I hike as much as I do right now, because I love to travel, and I'm not traveling. But getting outside in nature is amazing. So get out there. Enjoy this beautiful world we live in. If you need somebody to exercise with, join me online. I'll put the link below to join me online. It's very affordable. And the classes are all recorded. If you can't make a morning online class, just go and pick one of your favorites and do it. All right? They range from 30 minutes to, I'd say, 55 minutes for the longer yogas. But whatever it takes, just do it, okay? And stay healthy. Please stay healthy and happy, and turn off the news, whatever it takes to reduce your stress, and go take a walk, take a hike, get outside. I don't even care if it's snowing. Put those flipping boots on, bundle up, and go take a walk. All right, I'll chat with you all soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like this, comments below. I always read the comments and I reply. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.